Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging methods for the headphones Moto Buds Plus. And the first one is a classic. Use a USB-C cable and adapter. So just connect it to USB-C port at the back and we can see LED light. So it means that it's charging. The second one is to use wireless charging. So just put your headphones to a wireless charging station and it would be work. Also with a reverse wireless charging from your phone, it also working. And the last one is to use USB-C to USB-C cable right here. But if your phone didn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. And we can see LED light, so it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.